Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into something that is an absolute game changer for your code quality. We're talking about Ruff, an extraordinarily fast, Rust-powered linter and code formatter that is literally reshaping the entire Python ecosystem. If you care about writing clean, professional code without waiting around for slow, clunky tools to give you feedback, well, you are exactly in the right place. Let's get started.
So let's dive into a really fundamental question right off the bat. What actually is linting and why does it matter? It's a totally fair point. You might be thinking, why do we genuinely need these extra tools when we've already written perfectly functional Python scripts? I mean, the code runs, right? Well, actually, just getting it to run is kind of just the baseline.
All right, let's jump right into part 1, linting and formatting explained.
Just as a quick refresher, linting is when a tool analyzes your source code without running it to identify potential bugs. Think of it like a highly advanced spell checker for your logic. It's going to flag those hidden landmines, like an unused import statement or a genuinely undefined variable, long before the code is ever actually executed. And then, on the flip side, we have code formatters. These automatically enforce a consistent style, things like uniform indentation and line lengths. And honestly, this is absolutely vital, because it instantly ends those unproductive style debates among team members. We've all been there, right? Arguing over spaces versus tabs. A formatter just makes those arguments disappear completely.
Moving right along to part 2, the Ruff performance revolution.
Historically, developers had to wrestle with the old way of doing things. That meant configuring entirely separate individual tools. You'd have one tool specifically for linting and another entirely separate tool for formatting. It was a lot to manage. But Ruff intelligently consolidates all of that functionality into one single unified package. It cleans up your toolchain just as efficiently as it cleans up your code.
And the real magic behind that unification? Well, it's a 100x speed increase. No, literally. Because Ruff is built on that exact same Rust-powered performance philosophy we've seen modernizing other parts of Python. It runs tens or even over 100 times faster than the established, older tools it replaces. You get instant feedback. That means you never have to break your flow state waiting for your terminal to catch up.
Okay, so let's get into part 3, using Ruff in practice.
Getting started is brilliantly simple. First, you just install it via standard package managers. Pip install Ruff. Second, you scan your code with Ruff check, which instantly reports every single issue in your directory. And third, you standardize your style by running Ruff format. That automatically applies consistent styling across your entire codebase.
But what exactly is it looking for when you run that check? Well, it easily spots unused imports, undefined or unused variables, and a whole host of other common Python-specific mistakes. Crucially, Ruff specifically enforces the widely respected PEP 8 style guide. It ensures your code consistently aligns with the standard library conventions that professional teams universally expect.
Now here is Ruff's absolute superpower, the auto-fix capability. By simply using the command ruff-check-fix, you can resolve so many of those common issues without any manual work. Just adding that --fix flag automatically removes unused imports and strips out repetitive errors entirely on its own. Honestly, it's like having an incredibly fast assistant instantly cleaning up your rough drafts.
Which brings us to part 4, automating for professional teams.
Look, maintaining quality at scale requires automation. Your code is written, but before it goes anywhere, a pre-commit hook should catch style issues. Then, your continuous integration, or CI pipeline, runs tools like tox and pytest. Finally, the code is merged. By integrating Ruff into your CI pipeline and utilizing those pre-commit hooks, you ensure that new code passes both your tests and your style checks before it's ever allowed to merge. It acts as an automated gatekeeper.
Let's ground this in a practical situation. The Uplatz scenario. Imagine joining the Uplatz development team, and they have this massive existing internal fast API codebase that's accumulated a lot of inconsistent coding styles over the years. You definitely don't want to add to the mess. So by running a fast identification with Ruff format-check right before review, and then letting it do automated fixes in mere seconds with Ruff format, you ensure your contribution perfectly matches the team's style. This drastically reduces unnecessary back and forth feedback during code reviews.
Let's wrap things up with part 5, best practices and what's next.
So, here are the key practical workflows you absolutely need to implement. First, run ruff-check-fix regularly during your everyday development to catch things early. Second, strictly enforce Ruff by integrating it directly into your CI pipeline alongside testing tools like tox. And third, set up pre-commit hooks.
That way, you catch errors instantly, the exact moment the code gets committed. Following these steps ensures consistent quality, and you don't have to rely on human memory.
We've covered how to dramatically speed up your workflow today, but I want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative question. Ruff perfects your style and catches bugs, but who checks your types? I mean, Ruff is an incredible, blazing fast foundation for linting and formatting, but it doesn't actually verify your type hints. And that leaves us with a fascinating, absolutely critical challenge when it comes to robust software design. But don't worry, that is exactly the challenge we are going to solve in our very next explainer covering MyPy. Until then, install Ruff, enjoy that ridiculous speed, and happy coding.